So now I'm going to show you how to make some makeup remover wipes. All you need is a glass jar with some cotton rounds inside, about 1/4 cup of filtered water, a teaspoon of unscented Castile soap, about 10 drops of jojoba oil. You go ahead and whisk the solution together. Then you pour the solution over the glass jar with the cotton rounds. You let it set overnight and you are ready to go. Now I'm going to show you how to make an all-natural anti-aging essential oil blend. First, you take about 5 drops of jojoba oil. You take about 5 drops of rosehip oil. Take about 10 drops of the frankincense. Four drops of lavender. You shake this blend up. Apply it to your skin every night. Just massage it in there and watch the years roll back. And finally, I'm going to show you how to make this stress relief massage blend. All you need to do is take about 20 drops of your jojoba oil. You need about 8 to 10 drops of your lavender oil. 8 to 10 drops of your grapefruit oil. 8 to 10 drops of your bergamot. Shake up your bottle. Apply a few drops on the palm of your hand and then just massage the stress away.